Let's make super crispy potato chips with a unique twist.
Start by peeling fresh potatoes evenly.
Slice them thinly and uniformly for best results.
Soak in chickpeas water to make chips extra crispy.
Drain and dry well to remove excess moisture.
Heat oil to the right temperature for frying.
Fry in batches until golden and crispy.
Drain on paper towels to remove extra oil. Season your chips right after frying for tasty flavor.
Enjoy your crispy, delicious homemade potato chips.